When I was 15, I bought my very first pack of cigarettes and I went to school with them. When my classmates realized that, I gave away half of the pack. It was the day when I started to smoke. And it was also the day when I quit. Hello guys, my name is Doke and I quickly understood that smoking isn't economically efficient. Počúvaš Ivo? Ekonomicky nevýhodné. Aj zdravotne nevýhodné. Anyways, as you already know, today I'm hitting an effect that is connected to cigarettes or other things. And it is also the effect that you demanded quite a lot. Smoke! Or smoky effect. We're gonna jump straight to the preparation, but before that I wanna show you something. This is new chas. This is New Time, one of the major Slovak media. This is our Prime Minister, Corona crisis, the biggest lawsuit in the history of Slovakia. And then boom! Who's this guy? Who's this? Yeah, you guessed it. It's me. It's an article about the painting that I've done on the kindergarten, and whole Slovakia can read about it. They kind of messed it up because it seems that I want to fight against illegal graffiti, which is completely wrong. Anyways, it's great. Let's prepare smoke. There are multiple kinds of smoke, and our old friend Google says that the most common one looks like this. I call it a cigarette smoke. There is also a toxic smoke, which is apparently the same thing in a green color. I found also an explosion smoke, or if you want, the fire smoke. And so, which one I picked? Well, the cigarette smoke, because that's the first thing that comes to our minds, right? But I'm thinking about painting an explosion one day. Yeah, it might be interesting. The search for reference pictures was kind of easy because there is a ton of smoke pictures, and I also found a lot of smoky alphabets. So if you want to try this, you definitely can. I will try to study the way how smoke acts in the environment, and then I'll try to use this knowledge on a wall. As always, I also prepared a sketch that I adjusted over here, and according to my calculations, this stripe of light should be gone in about an hour. Yeah, and I'll make the first lines with black on black because smoke is white and I don't want the first lines to mask the smoke. So you probably won't see much right now. Somebody is doing something in the tunnel. I wouldn't use fireworks as long as I'm inside. But yeah, hey, this sucks. I can't see anything. So there is a cigarette. And what comes out of a cigarette like that? Smoke. To create the smoke, we'll basically need just two cans. Transparent white and white. I'll start with transparent white to define the smoke, to, you know, I'll start with lighter parts, and then I'll use white to make it more pop. I'm not completely sure if you can see it, but yeah, this is a reference, this is a smoke, and I'll try to follow these wavy. I guess that I should have given him a custom iPhone. It's such a shame that I don't have one over here right now. I have to get rid of these marks because great thing about painting smoke like this is that you don't really need that many cans. Okay, you need like two. And also, you can get your freedom, because as long as you understand how you should create these waves, it's totally up to you how you do it. Alright, so far I've been doing all this just with a one single, well, I wasted 3 of them, but I've been using just transparent white. Right now I'm gonna use normal white because I still feel like it needs more pop effect. It's almost unbelievable, but at the end of this eye try, I won't say that I was suffering during this painting, and I won't say that I didn't know if this is gonna work out. Well, I didn't, but I was like 80% sure. I also can't say that it was time demanding or hard, but on the other hand, I think that it is one of the best eye tries that I've done so far. Thanks to the cigarette, the simplicity of it, I love it. And yeah, I hope that you're gonna like it too. And before I show you the final result, let me just say that the print that I shared with you in the kindergarten video, Walter, is already sold out, and the next 2 prints are still available. So there is a link in the description below. And yes, merch is coming. It's close. Okay? This is it. I almost forgot. Let me know in the comments below what should I paint next time. And yeah, thumb up, as always.